Hey everyone, and welcome to Taskey. As we get ready to wrap up an incredible year and jump into 2026, we're launching our biggest, most exciting event ever, the New Year 2026 Mega Bonus Taskey Coin Challenge. This isn't just a bonus. It is our way of saying thank you to our most dedicated users and giving you a massive opportunity to boost your earnings. So, what's the deal? It's all about perfection. We're talking about the 100% rating bonus. If you achieve a perfect 100% positive rating on your trade completions, you'll earn a special Taskey coin worth an estimated $20. That's a serious reward for your commitment to quality. Here's how you can get it. The rule is simple. Successfully complete 100 consecutive trades with a perfect 100% positive rating. Now, here's the best part. The final window to lock in this bonus is from December 15th to December 31st, 2025. During these 2 weeks, you need to complete those 100 perfect trades. Doing so activates a bonus that reflects your amazing performance all year long. It's a huge incentive for our most professional users. For those of you who are new here, let's quickly talk about what Taskey is. We are a global hub for micro-earning and digital services, connecting millions of users from all over the world. You can earn money by completing small digital tasks like data entry or quick research. It's an easy way to pick up work, get it done, and get paid fast. On the flip side, if you're a business or an individual needing help, you can outsource your tasks to our global workforce, getting things done quickly and efficiently. Taskey is also your secret weapon for social media growth. Want more likes on Instagram, members in your Telegram group, or views on your YouTube videos? Our platform connects you with real users who get paid to genuinely engage with your content. It is an ethical and transparent way to boost your online presence across all major social networks like Facebook and X. But wait, there's more. We have a dynamic trading ecosystem. Our peer-to-peer, or P2P trading, lets you securely buy, sell, or trade Taskey coins and other digital assets directly with other users. It's an exciting feature that's taken off globally, especially in Asia, offering quick potential returns. Beyond the work and trading, Taskey is a community. We're all about fostering global friendships. As you complete tasks and trade, you'll naturally connect with people from different countries and cultures. It's a place to share tips, make friends, and be part of a worldwide digital family. Now, let's talk about something crucial. Security. Your trust is everything to us. That's why we have a third-party payment release rule. When you complete a job or a trade, the funds are held securely by Taskey. The money is only released after the buyer confirms they've received the service or asset. This protects everyone involved from fraud. And if there's ever a disagreement, our mandatory dispute resolution system is here to help. A dedicated team will review all the evidence and make a fair, impartial decision. And if you're looking for an even easier way to earn, you can get paid just by watching videos on our platform. It is a simple way to accumulate some extra Taskey coins while learning about new features or services. So, get ready for the Taskey New Year 2026 Mega Bonus. This is your chance to end the year on a high note and start 2026 with a significant financial boost. Focus on achieving that perfect 100% rating across 100 trades during the December window and claim your $20 Taskey coin reward. Join the challenge, connect with the world, and make 2026 your most profitable year yet with Taskey. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates.